kit here, when you receive it, you will get all of the colors of the yarn that you need to fulfill the project. And then on the back, they always give you a little description of the organization that you're making it for that month. And you also receive a little card that you can put like a note to the person or to the organization. And they also give you the address to where you can mail the finished project. I would assume that as long as you make something similar as the project you have right here, that they would accept more if you wanted to continue to do so. And then in this kit too, this month, they gave you some stitch markers, which is really cool. So the yarn they gave you for this time is a skein of white. It's 100% acrylic, 495 yards, and it's a 4. It's a white. And then they gave you the dark blue, which is 100% acrylic, 210 yards, and a number 4. And then you have the gray, same thing, 260 yards, number 4, 100% acrylic. And you have this tealy green, maybe sea green type color, and it's 260 yards, 100% acrylic, number 4. And then inside your little booklet, you will get the instructions to make this. It is a crocheted project, so they'll give you the measurements and everything you need. So like I said, you could replicate this if you wanted to. They don't give you the hook, but they assume that if you're going to do this, you probably have one. But like I said, they give you this booklet here, give you some, it's good for beginners too, because they give you like abbreviations and it's really well spelled out. And then like I said, they give you the information on the back for the organization, and this month's organization is Military Families Ministry, and they have a website. And I'll put this down in the description. It's www.militaryfamiliesministry.com. And I'm going to go ahead and read this little blib about the information here. So it says, Military Families Ministry was started in 2010 by 2 military moms. Military families across our nation who do not live near a military installation have little to no support. Service members deploy to war zones, and these families are left at home alone to deal with the uncertainties that come with deployment. Our mission is to support service members and their families. MFM sends prayer patches to deployed chaplains and service members as a reminder that folks back home are praying for them. We have shipped thousands of prayer patches to troops serving abroad. We also send dishcloths and prayer shawls to wives and mothers of deployed service members as a reminder that we are praying for their deployed loved ones and them as they wait for their loved ones to return. And then it has the where to return the finished projects, and they're also on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. So that's a really cool thing. My brother is currently in the Navy, and he is studying to be a chaplain, so that is pretty cool. So yeah, so that's what you do. You make up the project here, this cool little shawl, and then they will send that off to a deserving wife or mother of a deployed serviceman or woman. So that sounds really cool. I love when we get, this is why I like this version of the kits, because it actually is for a good cause, and each month you get a different cause that you can help. Several videos ago I did one for Operation I'm drawing a blank, but anyway, it's it was a really cool one where you can, hold on, let me see if I can find it. Okay, Operation Gratitude. Anyway, I really like that one because again, it dealt with dealing with men and women in the service, and I checked out their website and all their information. So I have actually been you know, watching and seeing what things that they need or whatever. And with the you know, it is warm now in the summertime, but soon it will be cold, and they accept, you know, scarves and hats and things for servicemen and women. So if you have the need to make these things and you want to donate them, but you want, to send them to me so that I can get them to the proper person, that is completely fine. You just need to message me. You can get a hold of me via my email at sowhathomeparty.com. Let me know that you're interested. I'll get with you and you can send me those items, and then I will pass them on along the way. But I really, I like all of these places so far that they've sent to me for donation, but the Operation Gratitude was really one that I really, after reading everything, I just really liked it. And so if you were interested in that, just let me know. And like I said, if you were interested in doing this as well, this is the information of where you can send these things, and maybe you can go to their website there and find out more information. Maybe there's other things that you can do for them. But yeah, so I encourage you to, if you do not sign up, have a subscription yarn club thing that you're signed up for, I really recommend this one. I've been subscribed to the others and I like them. It's not that I don't, I just like the idea of this being a donation thing, to give back, to everyone. And I think in this day and age right now, especially this year, we can use a little bit of that, caring and giving and selflessness. So like I said, I will put everything I think you're going to need in the description box down below. If I did forget something, or you want more information or questions, I will gladly try to do that for you. You can either comment down below and I'll try to answer, or I will you can email me and I will try to get you an answer. But that is all I have for you today. Like I said, I do recommend this kit club, but try it out if you it's not too expensive. I think I paid like it's like $20 or something. It's not very expensive. And let me know what you think. And if you receive any of Annie's kit clubs, let me know which ones you are subscribed to, and let me know how they are. Maybe someone out there would like to do those ones as well. But with that being said, I'm going to get out of here, and I hope everyone is well, and thank you again for being here. And as always, so what is in your craft room today? Bye bye.